You want some milk? You don't help me, then at least don't disturb me. Hey, it's because you gave me the milk. I didn't mean to. It's the pie's fault. Let me show you what is intentional. Stay there. Thieves nowadays are so scary. Have you ever thought of preventing them using the way like Sprite? Take a locker, then put it through the phone case and lock it with your belt loop. Now you can dare all of the thieves. You want to rob my stuff? In your dream. Don't ever think of shoplifting anymore. Sprite's wearing her makeup. If I play some tricks... My lipstick smudged. Huh, you chose the death. You can still laugh? Try to laugh more. Whew. Luckily it's my imagination. I still feel obsessed. Wait, let me try. Oh, of course, this is for the eyes, right? It's time to sleep. Wait, there are a lot of brats in the house these days. I forgot to set the mouse trap. Huh, don't think you can escape now, mouse. Definitely caught a big number today. I knew it! Where are you running? You deserve it. Wait for the police to take you away. Ability cannot beat luck. This is the chance. Oh, just kidding. Don't stare at me like that. Here is my fortune. Don't tell Sprite.
Nope.
Something's wrong. Let's see. Is she really sleeping? Wait! My money! It's all because of this girl. Girls are so troublesome. They say one means two. Say two means one. But I'm struggling to understand them normally, not to mention when falling in love. Timing is everything. Go, what are you waiting for? Stay there and be angry by yourself. Huh, you said you love me. It takes decades to reach the break time. Oops, I almost forget. I always have my treasure with me. Sprite's sleeping again, and Hannah has some tricks to wake up her friend. Take an artificial nail. Stick on Sprite's finger. Then put on some redness to make it look like blood. I just have to wait. It's time. Let's go home. Finally, I can eat my mom's food. Am I mistaken? Someone help me! Learn a lesson yourself. Huh, cannot deny that I'm so good at tying shoelace. You like the phone that much? Your bet. Hey, not me. Go to hell. Don't stick your eyes to the phone anymore, bud.